Hi guys, I'm Abdi Omar. Today I'm going to show you how to hack YouTube views so that can make easy others to think there is many funds. As you can see, I have 25 views and published on July 8, 2014. The time was 30 minutes ago. To make more views is very simple. Let's do this. Click on Customize and Control for Google Chrome. Look for Setting and click on it. Click on Extensions. Scroll down and click Get More Extensions. In the search box, type Auto Refresh Plus. Here is Auto Refresh Plus, so click Plus Free. Then click Add. Wait a moment. Auto Refresh Plus has been added. I won't close all these tabs, but it's okay if tabs are open. Click on YouTube video that you want get more views number. As you can see, I have 25 views. Click on this icon. You can choose the time you want and click Start button. So wait, as long as you want to get more views number. That is the timer. So now we're going to stop it. Click the icon again and then click red stop button. Voila, we got 43 views number. Please subscribe my channel and thank you for watching. See you next time.